Hi guys! Yay! They just deliver my new fridge. Yeah, yes. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito yung luma guys. Oh, owner's fridge. Ayan. Ito na. Mas malaki. Ayan guys. Oh, new. Samsung. Dadan. Ayan guys. New deliver guys. Ayan, 7 hours daw before na we can use it. Ito na yung old. Goodbye. Ayan. Ito guys. Yan yung mga laman. Poor thing. Now we can, I can already grocery the real thing for this fridge.